Hey, what is going on, guys? This is your boy Andrew Legend here today with a brand new video on Wizard101. Today, this is Road to Warlord episode 10, and so far, so good. I'm doing alright. Right now, I'm Corporal. I'm hanging in there. Hopefully, I can get first turn. Let me get first. Never mind. Oh well. It's fire. Dang it. Alright, well, here goes nothing, man. Oh Lord, it's not the end of the world, so yeah. Honestly, like, I've been sick for 2 weeks. Kinda sick, but it's just like I don't know what's up with my throat. And it just feels like just got so weak. And it's aggravating. It's annoying. So I don't know what to do right now while I'm sick like this. So it's okay to not, like, just to deal with it, but it's so annoying. But let's focus on this match real quick. No power pips yet. Okay. He might, okay, he might, okay. He can do that. You don't critical. I guess he used that to make me fizzle. Unless he knew I was gonna shield, so that hardly did anything with all that wretched noise, and I did not fizzle. That's good. Alright. Okay, so far so good. Okay, I need to get aggressive here so he won't hurt me. He don't have nothing up yet. He doesn't have at least a shadow pip, so I should be straight here. I can do this right away, but let's look for an enchant. There might be an overtime. Yep. Okay. Okay, critical. I blocked. That's good. I'm gonna weakness him just in case he won't, won't try to hit me with that freaking spell that I hate so much. Okay, please be an enchant in this jump. Nope. Okay. And I think he's gonna do that new spell, so I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm just gonna hit with gaze. Actually, I'm gonna discard this, hit this, and I'm gonna hit with gaze and find an enchant. Ooh, good move on his part. Why would he use that? That's odd. More damage for me. Can I critical? Yes, I can. And that plus... Oh, that's gonna hurt right there. That's good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you're screwed, buddy. You are screwed. Ooh. Okay, he's worried now, so all I have to do now is just keep hitting him. But I think he's gonna use that. I think he's gonna use fire from above. Yep. Oh, he used that. Why did I get anxious? Okay. No worries. He can't do anything right now. 566, not bad. Okay. Take no pip. Oh! Oh! That sucks. That really sucks. That sucks for me though, but I'm not gonna get mad because that was a good play he did. He knew I was anxious. He knew I wanted to kill the heck out of him. But still, he did a pretty good play. It was a pretty good play he did though. It's real good. So right now, okay, no enchants up. Alright, right now I need to focus on, I don't need to worry about a heal. I'm straight. I just don't want him to heal or anything. Cause if he does, I'm finished. Okay, this looks like, oh, okay. Alright, if I can look for a Gaze of Fate, I'll be straight. Right on the money. This is good. Let's go. Let me get this W. Let me get this W. Put in more damage on you, son. That's not good. He already knew it was GG. Oh well. Actually, what? It was. But GG though. Damn, 3,000. Okay. Alright. I'm Sergeant again. Let's see if I can keep it this next round. Let's see if I can keep it this next round. Yeah. See, I always try to do something new also. Like I was doing now. But, you shouldn't try something new when you're ranking, man. You get aggravated. So you meet all the tryhards. Know what I'm saying? So, honestly, I've been... Okay, so far so good. I won that match. Let's see if I can win another. I think if I win one more, I think I'm gonna be veteran. I think I am. So since I hit veteran, I'm gonna take a break, and then I'm gonna level up my pet, and then I'm gonna try and get it to mega. I might won't be doing videos for a while though. If I do all of that. And then I'm going to continue the series once I get my pet up. Because, you know, I want to get everything intact. And, you know, I can't fail every time in my videos. I'm sick of that. I hate failing in my videos. I hate that. Just like that last match. And, just like that last match in, with, hey, Nathan. The last match that was glow bugs. Uh-oh, I got a cough. I'm gonna try not to cough because this crap hurts. Okay. Oh no. Go away, cough. Go away. God. That is gross. That is really gross. Okay. This match is taking forever. I'm so sorry you guys had to hear that. This is really nasty. Okay, I got my match. I'm straight. Oh my god. You guys deserve to put a dislike to this video. Oh my god, this is terrible. This is just gross, okay? Like, it's just... Okay, I got somebody new here. Alright. Can I get first, please? Can I? Yes! Let's go. Okay. Okay, he's fire. We gotta spam him. Okay, I'm gonna spam him first before he spam me. If I critical, I get test his strength. Okay, critical. All right. Looks like he's carrying that wand. I don't think he's a. I'm kind of terrified now. It's either that kid is using the Hades gear, or he's using the. Yeah, this kid's trying to melt me. All right, okay, I can gaze him, but let's try and stop him real quick. You know what I'm saying? All right, come on. Let's do this. What is he doing? What is he do? Okay, he's doing that. Okay, critical. I might not block. He's probably going all. Oh, I did block. Okay. Okay then. I didn't mean to ignore Nathan. You didn't even remember what you was gonna say, bro. All right. Okay, what he can do is he can. I'm just gonna take the hit. Forget it. I can heal. I'm just gonna take the hit if he's really gonna efreet me. But right now, that shield's gotta go, buddy. What's he doing? Oh, a blade. Okay. Alright, so. Okay, what he can do, he can hit me, and then he can. Okay, this might be the last round for the overtime. So, right now, let's focus on like shielding up, and then we can gaze him if I get a shadow, maybe. He probably hit me right here. Oh, no he didn't. Oh, this isn't the last one? Alright. Okay, I can gaze him. I don't have the spell diffuse up, so I'm pretty short. Alright, let's do this. Not bad on this play though. That was real good by his move. Wow. Wowie. What you do? Oh, you use that? Oh, he's using that technique, guys. He's using that thing. I blocked. He's totally using hell from above. I like to call it that because it's pretty cool. Okay, he did amount of good damage on me. Okay, I'm stunned. I'll be able to heal next round. He is for sure using that spell. He is for sure using it. Jesus. Okay. Yep, he was totally using that spell. Hate that move. So gross. Hopefully this won't destroy me. Like, holy crap, man. Jesus. And that almost destroyed me. Holy crap. And those... Okay, he has fuel on me. Okay, you're gonna get it, man. You just wait till I get my hands on you. Okay, I got a shield up. Let me heal real quick. Can I critical, please? Please, please, please. Yes. Alright. On my feet again. I don't know. I never heard of that crap. Okay, let's see what we... Okay. What he can do... You know what? Let's go for it. Let's do that. Actually, we can do this, but I'm too terrified. I hate when the heals get on me. I need to heal though. Let's get rid of that. I could still. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this because we can't find any heals. Hopefully, he won't use anything destructible. Let's do that. No critical. That's okay. Still doing damage. That's okay too. That's okay. I'm still in the game. I'm still in the game. And he passed. This is good for me. Okay, let's do that. Cause this guy is scary right now. I don't like this guy. I'm just gonna have to finish him off. I really don't like playing fires too much because they're pretty good. Ooh, and the critical. Let's go. And no block. Let's go. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Put up the GG. Good game. Hit that 4K on you real quick. Alright. I got lucky so far, guys. Alright. Well, I had a good match. I'm doing pretty good so far, guys. See? Okay, so right now, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and you guys, you know what? I might do another video after this once I upload this one. But if you guys were watching this, thank you for watching this. I know I've been coughing and everything. That was disgusting. I know. That was gross. I'm sorry. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, share it to your friends. Whatever you want to do, like it, dislike it, just watch it. I don't care. I love doing this for entertainment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, leave a like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. Have a good day.